The training today, it's very engaging for our parents. They're not sitting around being bored. It's active. They're getting some good information. They're sharing their insights. It's collaborative. And so it's time well spent. It's not like you're in another training where you're trying to stay awake. It's really one of those, okay, we're getting up, we're doing this. You talk to your partners about your table about this. So it's a lot of opportunity to gain insight and present insight. And I think that's great for our parents because a lot of times they don't have those platforms, especially in a school setting. I guess the other piece is making sure that you understand the gem that you have in family leadership with parenting partners. We know that family leadership has something great to offer our parents. So this is a great opportunity to kind of allow us to present that to them. So that's, I think, where another benefit of the program is. And that's really, at the end of the day, that's what we want to do. We want our students to learn. We want to serve our community better. And family leadership is just a way to help us do that together in a partnership.